Let's talk about Stripe Connect. Stripe Connect is built for flexibility. It was designed specifically for platforms that need to move money between multiple parties. Think of marketplaces like gig platforms, online stores with third-party sellers, or delivery apps with vendors and couriers. With Stripe Connect, you can set up custom payout structures, split payments instantly, and onboard sellers automatically with built-in compliance checks. It supports three main account types: Standard, Express, and Custom, each offering a different level of control over the user experience. What makes Stripe Connect stand out is how deeply it integrates into your system. You can fully brand the payment flow, manage when and how sellers get paid, and handle things like refunds, disputes, and identity verification directly within your platform. Stripe's infrastructure also supports global currencies, local payment methods, and instant payouts to debit cards or bank accounts. For developers, the tools are robust and well documented, which is why Stripe Connect is often the first choice for marketplaces that want a highly customized solution. Another major advantage is transparency. Stripe gives you detailed reporting, real-time balance tracking, and automated tax form generation for your sellers. Everything from onboarding to payouts can be automated, reducing manual work. It also integrates with other Stripe products like billing, invoicing, and Radar for fraud prevention, making it a full financial stack rather than just a payment processor. For platforms that want full control and scalability, Stripe Connect offers enterprise-grade power with startup-friendly flexibility. Now let's look at PayPal Commerce. PayPal's system focuses on accessibility and trust. It gives marketplaces a simple way to accept and distribute payments using one of the most recognized brands in online commerce. Customers already know and trust PayPal, which can boost checkout conversion rates. PayPal Commerce provides tools for splitting payments, managing fees, and paying sellers, similar to Stripe, but with a slightly more structured approach. With PayPal Commerce, you can onboard sellers quickly using their existing PayPal accounts, which reduces friction for those who already use PayPal for business. The system supports automatic payouts, seller verification, and multi-party settlements. It handles compliance, chargebacks, and buyer protection, which can save marketplaces a lot of time. The platform also offers PayPal's global reach, allowing buyers and sellers to transact across multiple countries and currencies with ease. One of PayPal Commerce's biggest strengths is brand recognition. Millions of consumers already have PayPal accounts, and many feel more comfortable checking out to PayPal than entering card details on a new site. That trust translates into higher conversion rates and fewer abandoned carts. For sellers, it provides a familiar experience with a straightforward setup and transparent transaction history. In the end, both systems make it easier to manage payouts, compliance, and multi-party transactions. Stripe Connect offers deep customization and scalability. PayPal Commerce offers instant familiarity and global trust. For developers and ambitious marketplaces, Stripe wins on flexibility. For merchants who value simplicity and a proven name, PayPal remains a solid, dependable choice for powering marketplace payments.